Hi, and welcome to Steve Patterson Trading. I want to thank you for taking the time to stop by. And I wanted to go through the various features we offer on the site to help you decide whether or not you think I am the right educator for you. So, if we start off on the front page, I'd probably recommend just going and reading about me, get a little bit about my background, and highly recommend you stop by and check out the blogs, blog posts. These are some of my featured posts that are from my YouTube channel, but things that are important. And if you have a time, really listen to this video here from Desire to Trade podcast. It will really help you understand who I am and will help you make the decision whether or not you should really trust me and whether or not I can make you profitable and help you to achieve your dreams as a trader. It's a very good interview. A couple other blog posts here where I show you actual live trades. I talk about my students. So the blog's a good place to get familiar with me. After you visit the blog, I would highly recommend you take a quick stop by my Stock Twits page. I have about 7,972 followers. I joined StockTwits in January, so that's quite substantial. And I actually post live trades here from time to time, so you can go through some of my comments, get to know me a little bit better. I do a lot of political ranting on here, so it's just a way for me to entertain myself. Who doesn't like to criticize the government from time to time? After you've had a chance to go through StockTwits, I also recommend that you stop by my YouTube page and really go through. I have over 140 videos here. Here's some of my top ones. Some of these are rants, some of these are actual trades, some of these I actually show you running P&Ls and real profits in real time. I'm one of the very few educators that will show you their blotter on a consistent basis. Over 140 videos in here. Get familiar with me, see if you like my style and the things that I teach. I've also been featured on the Wall Street Journal, and it was the video of the year on Forex Factory. So, after you have a chance to go through all that, I highly recommend that you check out the course details. This will give you kind of a syllabus of what it is that I teach, and again, will help you decide if I am the right coach for you, and I will help you achieve your goals. When you're finished with that, if you would be kind enough to stop over under our programs tab, even if you like what you hear and you believe that I can help you get to where you want to go, I would still ask you to book a 1-hour free Skype consultation. It's completely free. It helps me get to know you, and it will help you get to know me. And I have one of the highest customer satisfaction rates of all educators. I have a 70% success rate for my students that stay with me for longer than a year, and an 80% success rate with my students that stay with me for longer than 2 years. And the reason for that is because the reason for that is because I offer superior, amazing coaching, but the other reason for that is that I really take the time to get to know you. I really take the time to, before you pay me a dime, to make sure that I can deliver what it is that you want from trading. So book a free Skype consultation. It'll be good for you. It'll be good for me. After we're done that, there's 3 options that I'm offering to people right now. I want to make it clear that prior to this relaunch of our website, the only way I did coaching in the past was a $10,000 one-on-one mentorship program. And that would be me spending an hour or 2 with you on the weekend and then giving you homework through the week. And that took about 3 months for me to teach to my students. But then I follow it up with ongoing support. meaning that I'm the only educator out there that is accountable. Let me repeat that, because this is something that separates me from everybody. After you finish the course, what you're going to do is you're going to send me for 3 months, okay, assuming you take the one-on-one advanced course here with the 40 hours. You're going to send me for 3 months. I'm going to show you an example here of all of your trades. So we can take an example here. Here is Andy and Tony, and these are Tony's trades from Wednesday. And you can see here he's showing me that he got into the trade here. He took a 1-to-1 profit on that trade. Then he shows me exactly where he traded here. He got short on HAS, took a 2-to-1 profit on that trade. And he showed me that he got short on XL, and then he broke even on that trade. So for 3 months, when you buy this package, for 3 months you're going to be doing the exact same thing that Andy and Tony are doing right now. And you can see here, this goes back, and what I do is I comment on every single trade that they take. And this is really important because this allows me to fix every mistake that you're going to have when you're trading with live money. And if you're able to do that for 3 months, by the end of that 3-month period, you're going to have zero mistakes. You're going to understand how to make money as a trader day in, day out. I'm the only guy that offers ongoing support like this, folks. No other educator does that. In some cases, I stay with my clients for up to a year, and in some cases even 2 years, until they get to profitability. Now, I know this is expensive, and although this is really important for those people who would still like to take the course but don't have that amount of money, I offer the 15-hour online video course without the one-on-one Skype consultation. So it's cheaper, but you miss out on me grading your trades for 3 months. Okay, and that's I realize that not everybody can afford the 5,500, and this is a way for me to start you hopefully making money, and then you can always upgrade to get the Skype coaching as well too. Now, for those people who are still cash strapped, can't really afford to take this quality of coaching, I offer what I call my Forex Edge liquidity course. It's 3 hours of how I use liquidity in the Forex market only, and how I use what I call some trick trading. Now, you might say to me, Steve, well, I don't want to learn trick trading. Well, I know, but if you can't afford the $5,500 course, this will allow you to at least hopefully start making some money right away and then graduate to the more advanced courses. But I want to be very, very clear on this. This is just the tip of the iceberg of everything else that I teach. And when you go and you read, when you go and watch my video here on the course details, you'll understand that the Forex course is really just the tip of it. But I don't want to underestimate the power of it. I have people that are making $10,000 a month just with this course alone. So it is extremely powerful, but it is very limited in its scope of understanding. Now, once you have decided that you're ready to go ahead and book, then all you do is come over here, click on this, you choose a date for the first Skype session, you choose a time, you book it, you fill in this information here, which will alert me that you've got the information. It will bring you to the payment page, and we're good to go, and you're ready to start your career and finally start becoming a successful trader. There's simply nobody in this business, folks, that you can trust more, and there's nobody in this business that has the experience and background that I do. I've worked at the top proprietary trading firms in the world as a fully funded trader. I am currently about to make another leap in my career where I'm about to work for a very large Canadian conglomerate, and I'm going to be managing a multi-million-dollar portfolio for them, and that's coming up very soon. That's why I'm launching this new education site, because I just don't have the time to do the one-on-one coaching. And I just want to highlight here, this 15 hours of coaching, this is actually a $10,000 course that was recorded. So anyways, I'm going a little bit longer here than I wanted to go, but I want to thank you for stopping by, and I want to say I really hope you make the right decision, and I hope you can see that I will get you to where you want to be as a trader. Again, I just want to repeat it. There is nobody who has my qualifications and done as many jobs in this industry as I have done. Successfully, I want to add. So thank you, and bye for now.